Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to connect your interactive brokers account with your Metatrader 5 account, then this video is for you. Actually, interactive brokers doesn't support Metatrader 5 directly because they have their own trading platform, but there is some alternative way that you should follow. There are some steps that you should follow, so stick together with this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So here you can see I have just noted down each and everything from introduction to all this step-by-step guide for you and some additional tips or important notes and alternative for you. Now, first the introduction. Interactive brokers, the IB is a popular brokerage offering a wide range of assets and low commissions. Metatrader 5 is a powerful multi-asset trading platform connecting IB to MT5 lets you trade IB's instruments using MT5's interface, charts, and expert advisors like EAs. Now here is what you need: an interactive brokers account with API enabled. Make sure you have enabled the API option that you can use. Now Metatrader 5 platform installed on your PC, IB gateway or trader workstation, the TWS installed to require for API connection. A third-party bridge software or plugin to connect IB with MT5. MT5 doesn't natively support IB integration actually, that I have already told you. Now, overview of connection method. MT5 doesn't officially support direct IB integration, so traders use third-party bridges like IB to MT5 bridge. Paid or trial version exists. Third-party software or plugins like Rhythmic Bridge, 10 Bridge, or custom APIs. These bridges relay order data and prices between IB and MT5. Now here's the step-by-step guide using IB Gateway plus Bridge software. The step 1 is set up interactive brokers. Download and install IB Gateway or Trader Workstation, the TWS for IB's website. Log into your IB account through TWS or IB Gateway. Go to Configure, then IP API, then Settings. Enable API, then enable the trusted IPs like allow local IP like 127.0.0.1. Enable socket clients, then note the API port number default the 7497 or for TWS or 4001 for gateway. Now step 2 is install and configure the bridge software. Choose a bridge software compatible with IB and MT5. Then install the bridge on the same PC where TWS or IB gateway is running. Configure the bridge. Set IP API port to the same port you noted from TWS or the gateway. Set the MT5 terminal path or server details. Start the bridge and ensure it connects successfully to IB API and MT5. Now configure, step 3 is configure Metatrader 5. Open MT5, then add the bridge plugin or expert advisor provided by the bridge software to MT5. Log into the MT5 demo or live account linked with the bridge software. Check for symbol synchronization between IB and MT5. The bridge usually downloads IB instruments as MT5 symbols. Step 4 is test the connection. Try placing a test order on MT5. The order should route to the bridge to IB. Check IB TWS or IB gateway to confirm the order appears and executes. Now here is the important notes for you: that latency. There might be some delay as data and orders route through the bridge symbols. Not all IB instruments are always available in MT5. Confirm supported symbols. Cost. Bridge software may require a license fee. Risk. Use demo accounts for testing before live trading. API limits. IB has API rate limits. Excessive requests may be rejected. Now here is the alternative method for you to using IB's native platform and MT5 separately. If you don't want to use a bridge, you can run IB TWS or for order execution and use MT5 solely for charting and analysis. But this requires manual order placement on IB and does not link the platforms. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.